Huh?
Shouldn't we be going?
What, the bees?
Oh,
Where did it go? I don't know where it
right
went.
over there.
I don't even know where the butterflies
It's right
went.
there. There's bees over there.
Where? But look at those butterflies.
There's more than one bee.
There's many bees, right? But that butterfly, look at it.
Oh, there's the iguana. Oh, no, that's not.
You didn't see the iguana? I feel like we're on a nature walk. Huh? Let's see the butterflies. Yeah.
There's the butterflies.
Yeah, try not to step on the butterflies because they're on the flower. These butterflies are so tiny. They're the smallest butterflies I've seen. And there goes the dragonfly.
Where?
Over there, it just landed. Right there.
I don't know where it is.
If you walk, you'll see it's going to take off.
Oh, that?
See it? That's a dragonfly. And all the butterflies. All right, let's go. Look at all these holes. I think there's iguanas living in them.
Ah. Ah, what is that?
Where? Oh, you got stuck. Uh-huh. See? That's what happens when you want to come out here. In the grass, in the wild. Come on. Dale. Dale. It hurts? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There's going to be a lot of them on your clothes. Look, here goes another hole. Here goes another hole. It's some animal that's boring the holes in the ground. Probably iguanas or something. I don't know.
It is.
I don't know. Lay their eggs in there probably for safety. Alrighty, let's go. Oh my goodness. Finally, you spot one. That thing is huge. That's a huge iguana. Oh my gosh, look at it. We don't want that by our house.
No,
Holy moly.
No, mommy. We need to hunt some food.
No, you don't need to hunt no food, especially not in my yard. Come on, let's.
It went to hunt some food for its babies.
No babies. That thing is huge. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's what we're doing for the babies.
Oh, there's a bunch of them.
But only in that yard.
Hmm?
Only in that yard.
I'm sure because they've been cutting down the bushes, they have nowhere to go. So they probably just run and hide. Remember, there was always a lot of them. That one was big though, Zion.